guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing an everyday foundation look. I've started off the video with my eyebrows already done, and I'm going in with some hydrocortisone cream because I have eczema, which makes my skin really dry, so I have to moisturize my face a lot before I place any makeup products on it. I'm going in with my hydrocortisone cream, shea butter, Danako face oil, and then priming my face. The rest of the video is pretty much straightforward, but if you guys have any more questions, just ask me below in the comment section. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you later.
Baby, I'll explain, so facciami. So come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, so come and let's talk. You know it's easy when you come home, late nights every time, being around all of these girls them while you're on your grind. Do you think it's alright? One phone call to me and it's fine, wasting all of my time. Give me peace of mind. So come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, so come and let's talk. All of them, they were right. Wish I wouldn't deny. Oh no. All of them, they were right. Wish I wouldn't deny. Oh no. So come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, so come and let's talk. Body is full of liquor. No ride home, you ain't got seeker. Oh no. Oh, friend me who cause him never. Better fix your sins, I can't count on ya. Then she said, he said, oh.
And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Facciami, mi stay home and charming. Really wanna change, so count on me. Baby, I'll explain, so facciami. So come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk. Baby, so come and let's talk. You know it's easy when you come home, late nights every time,